Hi guys, my name is Noni Madikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Muzi's character. Hey! Not Muzi dealing with Ubaloyi and Judge Rata at the same time. I loved it. Oh, I loved it, guys. I enjoyed what he was doing today. He was like, okay, last week when I Judge Rata, last week I said to you, Baloyi has been asking me questions 15 times. The same question 15 times. You said to me, there is nothing wrong with what Baloyi is doing. I'm going to show you Budra Kesanalam. Yabana, this Monday, I will make it blue for you. Didn't Baloyi turn navy while he was black, navy, and shiny at the same time? He was black, navy, and shiny at the same time because Muzi was frustrating the hell out of him. When they were talking about the photos and Khatebe and whatever, eventually Muzi was like, I don't know anything about that. Go ask Baloyi. Baloyi, go ask Gininda, Mboto, and Khatebe. Every question. That's what he did. He was like, that's it. I'm done with you people. Never. I was so happy. He made Baloyi drink from his own cup. He was like, you are asking me the same question 15 times. I'm going to answer you the same answer. That was the entire answer. I think that was before Tita. Guys, I was so proud of the guy. I've never been not so proud. I was so proud of the guy. I was laughing, guys. I was laughing. But Muzi kind of elevated me in a way. Then go and I zolo. But he was like, nah, I'm gonna show you Shebet, Nina. You guys are saying I must not. You Judge Rata is saying this is okay. I'll show you what is okay. I'll show you what is okay. Umuzi. Umuzi. Ati ask Gininda, Mboto, and Khatebe. I don't know anything about the death of Senzo. Whatever question that Baloyi was asking, all the questions, the answer was one, guys. We went to a break. He was just, I don't know anything about that. Ask Gininda, Khatebe, Mboto. Me, I know nothing about that. Hi, what's on Kaita Makati? You know, the confession says, what was the confession saying? The confession, you know that there are similarities between the confessions, the confession of Danzi and your confession. I think something along those. Mshololo was like, I objection, Your Honor. You, oh, my lord. What similarities? The state must tell us the similarities, please. And then he was like, okay. Please answer. Mshololo was like, no, there's an objection. The witness is not going to answer. Give us the similarities. I was like, I'm here for this. I am here for this. But this is what I like. Muzi was like, at some point, okay, wait, you're saying a confession. Muzi's don't say my confession. I did not do any confession. That's Muzi. That's Gininda's writing. Don't say my confession. Lisa, what do you mean when you say my confession? Yo, Umuzi, guys. Umuzi is like me. I'm not gonna go down J. I'm not gonna do that. These ones, I am going to show them. Ubaloyi keeps being shocked the entire time. Every time Muzi speaks, every time Muzi responds, Ngathi uthi lentwana inesibindi, yes, lentwana inesibindi. Let me try this trick. Let me try. He doesn't win. So why is he keep going and going and going? But we are now ukuthi I'm not winning. I'm not winning. But he continuously Muzina is like, I'm gonna fight back. I Chonga, Muzi can fight, guys. That I can tell you. He can fight. His composure. Yabana namhlanje. I am telling you, whatever lessons that he got, ubuye nenye namhlanje into besingayilindele, ubuye nokunye nje okunzima kabi. Kubuye nokunye okunzima kabi wokuthi angingitsheli lokho nina. Aningitsheli lokho nina. You are not gonna do that to me. Listen, the guy can fight. Muzi, hayi, ngiyamhlonipha mina. Ngiyamhlonipha. Me, ngiyamhlonipha umuzi, guys. I'm telling you. Ngiyamhlonipha. Ubaloyi. Ubaloyi, guys. How? Yo. But guys, this is embarrassing. Imagine if they were to say other judges must listen to this case, like, because I don't think corner judges that have time to sit and listen to this. It will be drips and drabs. But guys, if other judges were to sit and listen to this entire thing, how many things will they take out and say, take that one out, take that one out, let's focus on this? I am sure even both so-called confessions will be taken out. Even both so-called confessions will be taken out. Hi, Bo, there was something else that happened, the metadata issue. Ubaloyi was not focusing on that. Jumping that one. Yeah. Mina, guys, I give up on the state. Yeah, but now I believe izinto ezishiwo nguMkhwanazi. I believe izinto ezishiwo nguMkhwanazi about the cops in South Africa, about the NPA, about the judiciary. I believe them, Shem. We've seen them firsthand, Tina. How can we sit and listen to this 11 days straight? Almost is like, ask Boto, ask Gininda, ask Khadebe. Don't ask me about that. I know nothing about that. Ask Boto, ask Gininda, ask Khadebe. Don't ask me. Yo! Ebechile kwenye page, guys. La page ethi, ningitsheli lokho. I'm not going to admit to something that I have nothing to do with. I'm not going to be part of something that I have nothing to do with. Mugai was refusing point blank. He was refusing. I don't know what needs to be done for Baloyi to get done, but he needs to stop right now because, Haibo, guys. This can't be right. This can't be right, guys. No, it can't be. I promise you. Who? Luhlazo lento eyenzeka kula court kaJudge Ratha. It's embarrassing to the highest order of embarrassing. How does he sit with the other gents when they go play golf or something? What do they talk about? Umampara wena, Muhu, Ntontoni, lezo zinto zikanjalo. Ukhubane when banter happens between friends. What do they say to him about this case? Let's say Kuko, those ones that are also retired like him. If they sit and watch him, what do they tell him, Judge Ratha, guys? What kind of friends does he have? Sure, this one, guys. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to the entire situation? Because, my daughter, it has become quite interesting, even worse. No, not in a good way. It has become interesting how the judge has become mom. It has become interesting how Muzi has become so bold. It has become so interesting how Baloyi is willing to sink himself in embarrassment. Ushone kanje, but he still continues to do this. How, guys? Kanti amahloni abasenawo? Yo. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? Because mina sana, ngifinish ukuthi abantu bahlazekile, but they are just nje banenkani. They are being stubborn for no reason. They are being stubborn for no reason. Must hit in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.